So first of all, I'm going to cut the wig up under the closure lace. Hello, welcome to my channel. So this is Ahenmah. If this is your first time passing by, thank you so much for passing by. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to shape and style your closure pixie cuts. So stay tuned and watch this video. I will begin my cutting from the back and then move to the sideways and then finally get to the closure. So if you have your cutting tool, I'm going to be using the cutting comb for this cutting and shaping, guys. So I start with the back and I will slightly hold the hair to cut it because I don't want any holes in my wig, guys. So this is a requested video, guys. So this is how to shape your closure pixie cut. I was supposed to drop the making of this wig, but I lost my device and I lost that video. So with time, I'm going to drop how to make your pixie cut later. So with this pixie cut, I used a 12-inch straight hair to ventilate the closure, and I also bleached the knot of this hair. So guys, if you have still not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. Guys, click on the subscribe button, like the video, share this video, leave your comments. So now let's get to the closure. Let's start with the cutting. Since our hair is already short, we wouldn't be cutting enough. We'll be just cutting just a few of this hair, guys. So I'll first straighten my hair. I'll first straighten the closure so that it can lie on the wig already. So guys, if you are using a short hair to do the closure, I will advise that when you are sewing your wig, you fill the wig very well. You have to fill it very well because the short hair is just not going to meet the wig level. So it's not just going to add any significant hair to your wig. So you have to fill your wig. You have to get prepared very well. Because if you make your wig very scanty, then your wig is not going to look nice, because the closure is not going to add any significant hair to your wig because of the length of that hair. So since I used a 12-inch hair, I made sure I sewed this wig very intensively so that I will not lose anything, guys. So if you do not know how to go about this, I already have 2 videos on how to make your pixie cut, and with these videos I filled and measured, give exact measurements to sew the wig. I'll be leaving those links in the description below or at the end of this video, so guys, you can do well to check that video to guide you in sewing this pixie cut. I'll go with my flat iron to lay this hair down. I will put some mousse on the hair to lay all the short hair down. So this is how our wig is looking, guys. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, leave your comments of what you think. Until I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care and bye 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 bye. I love you so much.